Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something that's been cherished for centuries, but is often overlooked in our modern skincare routines: sandalwood powder and sandalwood oil. These two treasures from nature have some incredible benefits that I think you'll want to know about. So, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the amazing anti-inflammatory properties of sandalwood. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or just the occasional breakout, sandalwood powder can be a game changer. It helps calm the skin, reducing redness and irritation. Imagine waking up in the morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing a complexion that's not only clearer, but also feels soothed. It's like a gentle hug for your skin. And if you're someone who struggles with sensitive skin, sandalwood is your friend. It's gentle yet effective, making it suitable for all skin types. Next, let's move on to its incredible ability to hydrate and moisturize. We all know how dry and flaky skin can feel, especially during those colder months. Sandalwood oil is rich in natural emollients, which means it can help lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. Just a few drops of sandalwood oil mixed with your favorite moisturizer can transform your skincare routine. It's like giving your skin a tall glass of water, and, for those of us who live in drier climates, this is a must-have. Say goodbye to that tight, uncomfortable feeling, and hello to hydrated, glowing skin. Now, here's a fun fact. Sandalwood has a natural ability to even out skin tone. If you're dealing with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or just an uneven complexion, sandalwood powder can help. It contains natural bleaching properties that can gradually lighten discoloration without the harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. Imagine using a face mask made with sandalwood powder and seeing your skin tone becoming more uniform over time. It's a gentle, natural approach that promotes healthy skin without the side effects of synthetic products. Let's not forget about the aromatic benefits of sandalwood. The scent of sandalwood is known for its calming and grounding effects. When you use sandalwood oil, it's not just about the skincare. It's about creating a moment of relaxation in your day. Whether you're adding it to your diffuser, mixing it into a bath, or even using it in a massage oil, the aroma can help reduce stress and anxiety. It's like a mini escape from the chaos of everyday life. Who doesn't want to turn their skincare routine into a self-care ritual? Finally, we have to talk about sandalwood's role in promoting healthy aging. With its antioxidant properties, sandalwood can help fight free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Regular use can help maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like investing in your future self. You're not just treating your skin, you're nurturing it. Imagine looking in the mirror years down the line and feeling proud of the skin you've cared for. So, there you have it. 5 incredible benefits of sandalwood powder and sandalwood oil: anti-inflammatory properties, hydration, skin tone evening, stress relief, and anti-aging benefits. It's no wonder that sandalwood has been revered in cultures around the world for centuries. If you haven't already, I encourage you to incorporate these natural wonders into your skincare routine. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of yourself and embrace the beauty of nature.